Jason feel much better now, and luckily him skin has swell up. Like, you know, normally people that just swell, Jason swelling them gone down, but he's still seeing the little red marks. So the best part, him feel better. Him lay down a talk, and may I cook right now. It's probably after 11, and may I cook rice and peas, and Ibi I go fry chicken. So I don't know how I do rice and peas already, but when I never see me cook rice and peas outdoor, so I'm gonna show you now because I season everything. Yo, the cola burn and the pizza boil smells so good. You see them? Them gonna look good because the coal run out. May I use the last set of coal underneath the rice and peas. It serve long still, I'm not gonna lie, because today is our last day. Well, may have enough coal for cook the rice and peas, but for fry a chicken, because I'm gonna fry a whole chicken, so that's why Jason feel much better though. But it surprised me, so Jason gone back down there, even though way in the middle we did go, so them supposed to good right there, so. But guys, me just feel sad this morning because me really not love when I'm under Jason. I'm glad say him feel better now. Him say him not feel no pain. The swelling them gone down, which is good. And the red mark them leave though. But what we did was to use the kerosene oil and rub it. And then we use the tree bush. That really work. I normally hear people talk about it, but for me come do it for myself and realize that it work. That is so good. And I'm happy so we could have found something out here for you, but I'm glad to feel better. I'm not lie, I feel sad because you know I'm just going there. So baby can follow me, and just to make me happy, I know say that's why I'm telling me yes. I just say go, it's a camping trip. I chichi eat them down, sir? Down. Them in there? Oh crap.
I'll make your food sweet.
Sweet? Wow. The coal would do because the chicken big, it'll burn out quick. It light already, you know, Ibi? Alright. The whole chicken. From when you say to marinate, Ibi?
I think it's on the border of how long you should marinate a chicken, which is about 3 days.
Yo, you know that nice.
Yeah, man. So I've done nice little marination. You know, we have our same seasonings. You didn't watch the video where I did the wings, same concept.
Guys, go over to Soy Vlogs so you can see what he used to season that flour. I'm just add a little bit more touch to it.
Yeah, adding a little bit of baking. Yo, you ever mix up the two of them baking soda and powder?
No, never mix it together.
The name?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But the soda, fizzy.
The powder kind of helps things to rise like so.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm using that now in this because we don't have egg. Egg kind of give a little
crunchy.
So it's snappy, yeah. So this I'm going to try to do the same, achieve the same thing with this. I see my aunt do this before. So I know it's not something crazy.
Yeah,
so.
It's no, but it's okay. We in the bush and we have to just use our have.
Straight up, because we don't have no eggs, we don't have no milk, so we just substituting today.
And Ibi can cook, so regardless, it's gonna taste good. And over here, so Ibi, I work on him little oil and the flavor. I should think I can explain why I'm up the whole onion in there because me just hear him explain. I don't remember. Alright, so it's a whole chicken, right? As you can see. So you know if him peel it, it'll go burn out too fast. And yes, there's something about the flavor take time to leak through.
The skin it allows, the skin is that, because the skin is tough, that's why we don't eat the skin.
Yeah.
So it gives you that time for the insides to slowly diffuse the flavor out. It's like when you cut up the garlic or you throw it in the frying pan, it burn up. If you look at those right now, they are not burned.
Yeah.
You understand? So the skin gives you that even more time to do your thing.
And the rice are going steam, guys. So yeah, this are going right now.
Just gonna dip it into some the coconut milk, then the flour, then drop it first. see the chicken, yeah, it's called spatchcocking. You see me? You just cut, you remove the back out of it, the backbone.
Yeah.
A bit for vanilla for her to take a treat and thing. Split it open, break the rib cage in the breast. So it can lay proper and flat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just using coconut milk because we can do better now. The company to see my people them fry chicken without egg, just the flour.
I do that too because Jason I eat egg, so I'm not violate him.
Exactly.
Him not gonna know, but you know. So it is good. It feel like Sunday or Friday.
Right?
Yo.
So I try for those pack on the flour, make sure it's yeah.
So it can be super crunchy.
If you rush it, sometimes you will drop it into the fire. And all the flour just run right out. No, that's... And the flour itself well seasoned up too, so when you bite into it, you look at it in detail, you will even see the seasoning. It's like KFC original chicken. So we got the whole bird. Frying pan don't move. I'm adding a great amount of weight to it. Baby don't move. Boom.
What I help with?
So at first with meat, it tends to shrink and move. So what you're trying to do is to make sure it stays flat.
Okay.
I find usually like the rib, the inner parts of the meat, that's where you want to definitely cook first. You understand? So once that part is cooked, you almost guarantee it's the back.
Good idea. You're smart, you know? I'm a girl, him still. Whoa.
Alright, we want to get the fire under the chomp now.
Look good. It's nice. Yo. Oh no, I see what you say. Look on the garlic and the onion still a go on.
Oh my God. Now it's your white ring gone from the finger. Yo! Look at that. Rich.
I mean, if you want some more coconut milk, when I have that.
No, the flavor to me alright, you know.
The taste it say they want coconut milk. It's good. Probably could have taken a little bit more butter and steaming.
I think it's because it's jasmine.
Alright guys, somebody go bed and start eat dinner. I may never remember for sure because I was so hungry. I didn't eat any breakfast at all. But it tastes so good. It is super good. Now like it be made this, I think it's sorrel jam, some jam sauce, and it tastes nice. So just like I consume this real quick and start pack up to leave out. So yeah. guys, so everything is packed and we're ready to go. Yeah, Jason did so wait for me. We'll walk down the hill because we can't go into the car. Guys, it was a very good experience. The place is beautiful. I learned to appreciate some stuff more, like water, and enough other stuff, to be real honest. I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing when I'm at home, like use less water. Even though I don't normally waste water, but see if I can use less water and all of that, especially when doing the dishes. Because when I'm home, because I have the running water, sometimes I catch water and not gonna lie, but then next time I kind of make it run. But up here, so since I don't have it run like that, I did always have to catch it and use what I have. So when I came up here, I writing on my notes. So till, because as one idea come to me, I write it down, and because the place is just quiet and nice. Customer service was good. The name of this camping site is Fern Forest Eco Village. Fern Forest Eco Village, and it's located at Fern Gully. I'll drop some more information in the description box about this place. Nah lie, I learned a lot of stuff, and Jason came, he didn't do any recording. Just the fact that we're out of the house, it feels so good. My cancer said Jason take him time out to meditate and, you know, be Jason. Because that's a Jason meditate and feed him brain and take care of him brain. And I want to know Jason. Jason is one of them person that I really admire. But yeah, and another thing, the whole cooking videos with soy vlogs, I really appreciate it because it show me say I'm gonna share it with you, because you need to know as well, viewers, not because somebody took a different approach it means that it wrong. Let me be specific to food. I'm talking about food, and if you want to apply it to your life in general, not a problem. But not because somebody do it one different way, it means that it wrong. Because even with fried chicken, him do it different than me, and when me taste it, it tastes just like how me would do it. And that's why we learn not to be judgmental and all of that. It's a whole learning experience. So yeah, I go down the hill. Kind of feel sad. I wish I could have stayed an extra day, but it's not easy to just go on a camping trip. But now I say it's possible. I have to just basically do your research.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.